Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to open the Voyager box on your Pokemon Go account. So at first, just open your phone, and as you open your phone, just open your Pokemon Go app from wherever it is located. And as you open your Pokemon Go app, it takes a while to load because it depends on your internet speed. So all you have to do is just wait until it loads. And as it loads, you're in the space as I am. So just stay at the space and look at the bottom middle where you can see that Pokeball. So just select that. And as you select it, go for the shop from the options. And as you view the shop page, just scroll down where you can see this Voyager box right here. And also guys, it will cost you 1750 PokeCoins to get it. So all you have to do is just select it. And you can just top up the PokeCoins if you don't have it. So guys, that's how you open the Voyager box on your Pokemon Go account. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.